Hey guys, Juan here, and today we're actually taking a look at a keyboard that is actually not out on the market just yet, and this is the BlackIO 83. This is from a company called MIIIW. Now, this isn't a full-length review. This is just the first impressions right out of the box kind of video. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for that full-length review. Now, unboxing this package felt like unboxing a brand new MacBook Pro. Everything feels very quality, very premium, and the price itself is not necessarily too high of a premium. This keyboard is retailing for $199 USD right at the moment, which, don't get me wrong, $200 is a lot for a keyboard. For a lot of the keyboard enthusiasts out there, $200 is probably not that much. And I will say, with the keyboard, it comes in 3 different colors. You have the yellow, you have a purple, and then you have a gray color as well. And here, when I was opening this, I had no idea what color it came in, and I was super excited to see. And now I gotta say, I actually got the color that I wanted the most, so that's super exciting. But here we're actually gonna go ahead and skip the keyboard unboxing, and we're gonna focus on the rest of the package. And first, we have this accessory box, which you get a few different things here. And the first thing you're gonna get in the box is the USB-C cable. Now, it's nothing special. It has the usual rubber coating outside of the cable, which for the price point I kind of expected is something a little better, but that's okay. And next we have the keycap puller and the switch puller, which is kind of cool to see because sometimes you don't really see both. You either see one or the other. And then curiosity got me a little bit, and I wanted to see if there was anything else in the package, and well, there wasn't. So with that done, let's go ahead and check out the final piece of the accessories, which is the extra keycaps, which I gotta say, they look fantastic. Now, these just aren't any keycaps, and I wanted to get some light and show you guys exactly what I mean. These are see-through keycaps, and they have sort of a kind of purplish color to it. It's hard to like pinpoint the exact color, but it's purple. Now, taking the keyboard out of the wrapping, honestly, I was just kind of blown away just looking at the keyboard for the very first time. The keycaps were stunning. That first initial purple bar on the very top of the board itself, I was shocked, guys. This thing was absolutely beautiful, and it's usual for me to think that this is the best keyboard I've got in my collection when I first get a keyboard, but I don't know, guys. This might be the best keyboard in my collection, so I don't know. We'll see. Let's wait until that final review. Obviously, immediately I want to go ahead and type on it. Here are some details on the board itself. You have the power, you have the switch between the cable and the Bluetooth, you got Windows versus the Mac, the Type-C, and here this interesting feature is that the Bluetooth dongle comes out of the board, and look at that, and then you can just push it back in, and it's so cool. It's so cool, guys. Now, you have the arrow keys there. I think the exact same type of keys, but they just have like a more steel kind of looking coating on it. As you guys can see, it has the custom font on it, and I think it looks fantastic. Now, on the back of the board, you have the dual kickstand, so you have 2 different heights on it, which obviously is cool because it gives you more options. And yeah, this keyboard is an RGB keyboard, and I gotta say, the lighting on this board looks fantastic. Look how smooth the lighting goes around the board. I don't know. I think this is going to be an absolute banger. It looks great at night, and it sounds really good. So listen to this, guys. Hold on. Let me know what you guys think. I'm loving it, but we're going to give this a good 3 weeks. We're going to test it out, see how it fares. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and check out this full-length review of the BlackIO from MIIIW. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.